first things first, I'm just bullying my eyebrows just to get them into the shape that I want them to be in. I'm now going to be taking a small angled brush, and in this particular video for this eyebrow series, I am using eyeshadow. You really just need an eyeshadow that matches your eyebrows, or even an eyeshadow that's a little darker. And I like to start by just filling in some of the sparse hairs, and I just pretty much go from there. It's pretty kind of self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch. So right now I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to be carving out my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using a small little brush. I'm going to show it right about now. It doesn't have a name. I actually got it from Target like many years ago. So you just kind of got to find what you like to blend out your eyebrows. And you also want to make sure that you're blending out that concealer regardless if you're putting on foundation or not. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any video requests, please let me know. If you have any requests on things I should use on my eyebrows or try on my eyebrows, please let me know and I will try them out for you guys. See you divas later.